trash troubles? Let your little hero save the day with this ultimate garbage truck toy. Messy playtime, missing fun. Ever noticed how playtime can quickly turn into a chaotic mess with scattered toys and zero structure? Kids love pretending, but what if their toys could also teach them real-world skills while keeping them engaged for hours? Enter the JOYIN Large Friction-Powered Garbage Truck Toy, a thrilling, hands-on learning experience disguised as endless fun. With messy rooms and short attention spans becoming a challenge, this garbage truck toy promises to turn clutter into play and teach responsibility with every lift and dump. A toy that teaches while it plays. This isn't just a garbage truck, it's a complete waste management system for young learners. Equipped with front dumper lifting, side bin dumping, and rear trash emptying functions, this toy sparks creativity while introducing recycling and waste sorting. Featuring 3 mini trash bins labeled for recyclables, trash, and food scraps, plus 30 illustrated learning cards, it transforms playtime into an educational adventure. Kids can practice coordination, problem solving, and environmental awareness, all while having a blast pretending to clean up the world. Lights, sounds, action. Why settle for ordinary when you can give your child the thrill of realistic sound effects and flashing lights? With built-in buttons for simulated horns, working headlights, and engine sounds, this garbage truck toy brings pretend play to life. It's not just a toy, it's a miniature morning trash route that fuels imaginative storytelling. Friction-powered wheels mean no batteries are required for movement, just push and go. This makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor play, keeping your little one entertained anywhere, anytime. Safety first. Parents, breathe easy, this toy is built to last and designed with safety in mind. Made from durable, BPA-free, non-toxic materials and rigorously tested to meet ASTM F963 safety standards, it's ready for even the most enthusiastic play sessions. No sharp edges or small parts make it perfect for toddlers and young kids. The truck's high-quality construction withstands rough handling, ensuring hours of fun without worry. Plus, it's maintenance-free, just wipe it clean, and it's ready for the next adventure. Learning needs fun. Forget ordinary toys that get tossed aside after a week. The JOYIN garbage truck toy is built to keep kids curious and entertained for the long haul. It's a toy, a teacher, and a tool for developing life skills all in one package. Affordable, interactive, and educational, it's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Whether your child is obsessed with trucks or loves hands-on activities, this set delivers endless learning and entertainment, no batteries, no fuss, just pure fun. Get yours today and let your little hero clean up the world one bin at a time.